Hey guys, it's Yuto here from SudachiRecipes.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make teriyaki salmon. It's so tasty and easy to make, it only takes like 10 minutes. For 2 portions you will need 2 salmon fillets, preferably with skin on, a pinch of salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of potato starch or cornstarch, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, mirin and sake, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of neutral oil like vegetable oil or canola oil. So first we're going to prepare the salmon. Start by drying it with a paper towel to remove excess moisture, then sprinkle it with salt and pepper. After that, coat it in the starch. If you watched my teriyaki cod video, you might have seen that I washed the cod in boiling water first. This is to improve the taste rather than actually wash it, so we don't need to do that step with salmon. Salmon already tastes good. I coat the fillets with cornstarch so that when it cooks it gets a little bit crispy on the skin, and also it's gonna help the teriyaki sauce stick to the surface. Once you're done with that, we can make the sauce. Take a small bowl and add your soy sauce, mirin, sake and sugar. Give it a little mix and then we're ready to cook, so easy. Take a pan, heat it on medium and add a tablespoon of oil. Once it's hot, place your salmon fillet in with the skin facing down. We're gonna let them crisp up for about 4 minutes. Did you know teriyaki is not the sauce itself, but a method of cooking in Japanese? The word teri means shiny or glossy, and yaki means to fry or cook. The sugar in the sauce makes it shiny like caramel, so it makes sense. Okay, 4 minutes are up. Carefully flip the salmon over and cook it for 2 minutes on the other side. After 2 minutes you can add your teriyaki sauce you made earlier. We're just gonna continue to fry that until it gets thick and glossy. Teriyaki sauce is kinda sweet, savoury and packed with umami. It goes with pretty much anything, but I think it goes with fish and chicken the best. It's hard to believe that it's so easy and only made with 4 ingredients. But I've gotta say, soy sauce, mirin, sugar and sake, they're all important in this dish. In fact, they're important for Japanese cooking in general, so I don't recommend making substitutions if you can help it. Also, if you have these ingredients, you can make so many different recipes with authentic Japanese flavor. Okay, I'm just spooning the last of the sauce over the top of the salmon and it's done. Time to dish up. I like eating teriyaki salmon with rice and miso soup, but you can also have it with salad or something too. Sprinkle with spring onion for some extra color, and that's it. Delicious teriyaki salmon ready in just 10 minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have lots more quick and easy Japanese recipes on my channel. Thanks so much for watching, see you next time.